Hello everyone, welcome to a new video from Technoc Reviews. Today, I'm going to show you best magnetic charging cable. Don't forget to activate the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. The Essager USB C to C100 dual magnetic fast charger cable is a powerhouse of efficiency and convenience. Designed for today's tech-savvy users, delivering up to 100 W power delivery with its built-in eMark chip. It effortlessly charges devices like the MacBook Pro, Nintendo Switch, and iPhone 15 Pro with exceptional speed, 50% charge in just 30 minutes. Its 480 MP data transfer rate ensures seamless file sharing, transferring 1 GB in only 30 seconds. The innovative magnetic design offers adjustable storage, eliminating cable clutter while enhancing portability. Compatible with PD fast charging devices and backed by certifications like CE and FCC. This durable cable is a must-have for laptops, smartphones, and more.